Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. So, guys, let's see what we have today. Because still flat, I would like to see silver lower, guys. Do you know if I can trade silver on take profit trader accounts? Oh, not here. 1 second. Switching right now to SIL on my TPT. I will try once again to see if it's going to work. Because, most prop firms does not allow to trade silver. So I'm just trying to see if it let me do this. So I would like to see lower. It's already set up, guys. I would like to see lower. No, I cannot do this. Take profit traders, the maximum order quantity has been met. Are you kidding me? What a scam. Fortunately, cannot trade. Why? Like, real question. Why I cannot trade micro sealer? So guys, I see setup on a 1 hour chart. Based on daily potential sweep, I would like to see silver lower. Guys, where I can trade silver? Which accounts I can use for this? Because I may actually execute silver today. Maybe retracement, but let me see. I don't know how to even check this. Apex, Lucid. Okay, what else? Yeah, maybe Lucid, by the way. I will do on Lucid. Apex. Guys, it's psychological, buddy. I cannot trade mini contract. It's going to be like $4,000 risk. I'm not that crazy yet. Now, about prop firms. I can trade on Lucid. Maybe I'm going to do this. What about Apex? Can I do this on Apex somehow? Because I will look for setup on silver today. Just trying to figure out what I can use. Which prop firm. Once again, that's what I see so far. It's just 1 hour setup. It's hourly setup. I would like to see lower. Previous day low level is going to be my TP. That's all I need. Minor retracement, try to short. Funded next, micro silver. Let's talk about gold, because extremely tricky chart on gold. And I was trying to compare gold and silver today. I was like, on gold I like absolutely nothing. We took previous day low level, but price still has room to go lower since we broke below yesterday New York midnight open. So I don't mind to see bottom of daily fair value gap. So it's going to balance fair value gap. 44.14. I see zero setup, so I don't like, but I do like silver so much. Let me check on Apex. Apex allowed instruments to trade. Trader with commissions and instruments. Okay, let me see. What about SIL? Please. No? Are you kidding me? Okay. Nope. Are you kidding me? You said Lucid, right? Let me connect Lucid. Lucid direct. Lucid direct. Not flex, I said direct. We will start with funded first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, on Apex, I see, guys. Thank you so much. Really cannot see reason why. Like, seriously, why? So I'm looking for short to aim for previous day low level. I hope it's not going to drop immediately to that level, which is, of course, possible. Hello, Maxim only! How are you doing? I missed you. So I'm waiting for minor retracement on a silver to try to short to previous day low level. Honestly, not quite sure about gold yet. So I'm still flat, completely flat, guys. So no attempts to trade. So let's hope to get set up. I hope silver also not going to drop just right now. Guys, let's talk about ES and NQ. I would like to see lower to 69.63. On ES, it's going to be possible daily immediate rebalance. And if it's going to respect this area, I will try to long. So short to long, maybe. We can get at least 2 trades. I don't really have trade idea yet. It's still too early. So I don't like to trade pre-market. But that's okay. That's okay, guys. Silver, don't do this, please. Please. Don't drop without us. You know, just trading without retracement is a bit hard for me. But, okay, let's see. Maybe we are going to get something on gold. Maybe. So it did not hit this early fair value gap. Trying to create equal highs. Guys, seriously, hard to talk about gold. I was trying to figure out my bias because gold, when I open charts on gold, it already took previous day high, previous day low level, and I was like, well, what I would like to aim for. And yes, at 8:20 AM, nothing happened because every single liquidity level was taken before. I'm like, okay, what else? What next? What should I trade next? And I was like, I'm going to trade silver. If it's going to retrace, I will try to short. Where? To previous day low level. That's only my plan for now, guys. Let's hope it's going to retrace. You know, it just straight moved down so far. I would try to retrace maybe to 30-minute fair value gap. Short down to previous day low level. I will trade on Lucid 2 micro contracts. Let's see how big risk is going to be. Because feels like it's going to be risk enough. Let me calculate 1 second. Trying to decide if it's going to retrace. I'm going to, let's just try to predict. I'm going to enter here. Stop loss, huge one, I guess. Anyway, let me calculate how many contracts I'm going to trade. It's going to be micros, 1 or 2. 150k account. Risking $300. I have no idea. It's going to be 0.87. It's going to be SIL. It's big risk, okay. One micro probably. It's going to be big risk. 1 micro on this trade. I'm not in trade right now. I'm waiting for the retracement. I will try to short silver, micro silver, 1 micro contract. So what do you think about short on silver? Let's hope for the retracement first. So I trade Lucid direct accounts and I trade Flex evals because I still have funded accounts. So hard to say. Since I would like to see silver lower, guys, maybe I will short gold. I also like this idea. Short down. Let's try to short gold below 55 to aim for new lows day. Basically below sequence of up close candles, below 55, yeah. Guys, I check at least 4 markets daily, and I see which I like more. Sometimes it's going to be only yes, sometimes it's going to be silver, like this, like we have now. I like silver more compared to different markets. Like yes, indices, gold, oil. What I like is silver, but unfortunately, I just don't see setup yet. That's extremely annoying, but it is what it is. I'm looking for short down to previous day low level. I don't want to see this big SMT, so let's hope to get short. Let me connect Apex accounts as well. Apex, please. Yes, please. $60. Yeah, I will look for short if it's going to offer 3 minute OB. Yeah, 1 micro at $800 risk. It just like no. Do we have nano contracts? Market makers, just one nano contract. Just add this option. We cannot afford to trade 1 micro nowadays. Like, imagine, guys, to risk $800 trading just 1 micro. And it's like normal risk. I don't know, guys. Maybe we are going to smart and we'll try to trade this on evaluation then. But guys, really would like to try this. Or gold, maybe. Maybe gold, right? Because we can trade 3 micros and going to risk $300 at this point. We're gonna see. It's hard to talk about gold right now. Extremely tricky bias. Too much risk. I agree with you guys. For my fund accounts, it's double risk for me because I risk, like really, I almost never risk $400, but it's going to be $800 risk with 1 micro. Maybe a while, but guys, I don't mind to try. I'm ready to risk maybe this on an evaluation account. Definitely not on funded. Guys, what is your bias on gold? Do you want to see lower? Do you want to see higher? Why? Because it feels like we're still inside market maker sell model, right? We have room to go lower. Yeah, I'm looking for short, maybe below 44.55. And then we will see. I'm looking for a retracement up on E0 to try to short, but it's going to be on eval since it's going to be just huge risk, guys. I don't recommend to trade this on your fund account because with 1 micro, just no comments. Yeah, Alan, I agree with you. So let's hope to get set up. Not in rush, right? Just going to wait. $2,000 with 1 micro. I mean, yeah, let's wait for setup first. Plan for ES and NQ if it's going to break New York midnight open. Let me delete previous week high. I don't need this anymore. Since lines up is New York midnight open. Maybe we're gonna get this one. Am I asking too much? But yeah, we need to contact market makers to ask just to one minor like improvements. Nano contract. Because we're too poor, we cannot afford to trade 1 micro on silver. Guys, I keep my eyes on gold, so guys, yeah, we may actually short this, but I don't see setup just yet. Silver, please. Please. That's my potential trade idea on silver. So, entry is going to be, let's imagine it retraces the 20-minute fair value gap, offer 3-minute OB, I will try to short. Since it's going to be just crazy big risk, trade on your eval or your paper money account if you want to try as well. I'm not going to be that brave, I'm going to trade on eval as well. But honestly, see previous day low level is going to be TP. I would like to see lower. 2R for hourly setup remains... I mean, TP is going to be right below daily fair value gap. Can you tell me how gold futures is different from NQ? It's just 2 different instruments. It's like, what's the difference between oil and, I don't know, DXY? 2 different instruments, 2 different markets. Open indices, because it's indices, and gold it's not index, right? Index, right? Sorry, guys. That's why market opens a different time. Macros work. I already talked about this. I don't truly believe in macro. I just don't understand this. I'm not saying it does not exist. I just don't really understand this. So I just trade setup when I see this during like New York kill zone or silver bullet, something like that. So I know if macro works. I would say yes, probably, because most of the time you will see 10 a.m. news affects gold as well. Why not buys on yes? I mean, I'm fine with buys. As long as we above New York midnight open, it's extremely bullish. We should take all-time high. No, okay, not all-time high. 7,000 is psychological level. Probably we're going to take 7K. But in my perfect world, we're dropping, like we're breaking below New York midnight open, retesting this level, we're shorting down, like we're best traders in the world to aim for possible daily immediate rebalance. At 69.63, I'm going to put my TP at 65 around this level. And then we look for longs. In my opinion, looking for long right now, since we already got pretty much big move up, does not really make any sense. Ideally, this plan, what will happen? Who knows, right? We're still above New York midnight open. I don't want to predict, so let's try to react. Come on, silver, please, retrace. Be kind with us. Gold nothing, so I don't see setup just yet. As I said, possible short below 55, 54. And why? Because we want to see silver lower. Right? Well, it's 9:17. I didn't even try to trade today yet. Quite tricky. Why it's tricky market today? Let me see what kind of news we are going to have after market open. Today is Wednesday, right? 10 a.m. news. PMI. Well, maybe 10 a.m. will offer something. Tomorrow is going to be unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. NFP Friday. Daniel, I didn't trade anything. I was sitting in front of my chart since 8:15 or 8:20. I didn't see setups. What I missed? Tell me what I missed. Like 5 a.m. setup? I was sleeping. No, it's 4 a.m. setup. 8:06? Oh, short. Yeah, I didn't even watch charts this time. Of course. Don't worry. Do you miss me? So, nothing on gold right now, okay guys? I see nothing. You missed 755 setup. 750. What we had 755? We didn't have any order. Order block was offered with this displacement down. On 5 and 3 minute chart. I missed nothing, according to the model. 755. Yeah, I missed nothing. From 8:42. Yeah, maybe we'll see. So I would like to see a retracement on silver, so maybe we will bounce a little bit more on gold. Maybe. Gold left hourly fair value gap, see? Over here. Actually, let me... What I'm going to do, just add this one. I'm going to remove background. Oh, way better. Easier to see charts. According to the model, we didn't get any setups yet. I mean, yeah, we got hourly sweep plus 5-minute OB. That's pretty much it. My concern, like, once again, looks like silver left room to go lower. Let's check CL. Not fan of this as well. Looking for short on gold below 55, probably. Below 55, 54. I'm okay to make stupid mistakes. But yeah, I'm looking for short. Let's see. I'm not sure about exact entry yet. Yeah, like closure below swing low, stop loss here. I'm going to aim for new lows today. Maybe. Ow, ow, ow. SI. SI. Okay, let's try to think logically about this. Let's open daily chart on gold and we will see what. Previous day high taken, previous day low level taken. What this means? This means like stay away from gold. Like it's just screaming like, what are you doing, guys? Why are you trading me? Nothing to trade. We already took both liquidity levels. But I'm going to say whatever, guys. I don't care. If I will see setup, I will short this. Who I am not to short that. I mean, yeah, definitely. I'm kidding. I would like to see silver lowers. That's the only reason why I would like to short gold. How big chance I'm going to make stupid mistakes? Huge one, but whatever. That's what I'm looking for, guys, to get. Let's see if it's going to close. Short and move stop loss to break even. No, not that fast. Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, click the like, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do, guys. Short. Okay, it's not short yet, but it's going to be probably short. Idea is look at silver. I mean, no shorts on gold yet. It's just potential trade idea. I would like to look at this daily chart, right? So what happened? It failed to take previous week high level. Let's think in terms of market structure. Never mind, guys. Cannot talk today. Market structure. So since it failed to take liquidity level by side liquidity level, what this means? It will go to opposite liquidity level. Which is the most obvious opposite liquidity level? Next liquidity level. Previous day low, at least. Or it's going to go drop where? To discount. Discount, what we have in discount? Daily untapped fair value gap. Once again, it failed to take buy side liquidity level. Which means what? We're looking for reversal. Reversal where? To opposite liquidity level. Yeah, thank you. And what happened next? We got daily potential sweep. In order to confirm daily potential sweep, we need to have what? Hourly order block. Do we have hourly order block? Of course we do have this. So what we're looking for? Drop. Where? To liquidity level. Which liquidity level? Previous day low level. Make sense? Of course you can apply this everywhere, just market structure understanding. So that's what I'm watching, guys. Maybe this short on a val for micro silver. That's my plan. It doesn't make any sense. Come on. No, for silver it's going to be something like that. So I would like to see the test of 30-minute fair value gap. Probably I will try to short one micro contract because we calculated risk is going to be almost $1,000 with one micro contract. We are not that brave to trade this on funded. We will trade this on a val. Where gold is going to be set up like this. We're going to get the closure. Probably we'll try to short. Where it's new lows a day. Maybe. Or we will see. So stop loss, it's like 10 points. I'm going to trade 3 micros to make at least 2 or 1.5 R. So let's see if it's going to offer the closure. Let's check yes right now. It's a bit like low volume price action right now. It's pre-market, which is perfectly fine. 5 minutes left. What else? we're trying to stay above New York midnight open, which means as long as we're above New York midnight open, probably we don't want to try to short this. But what will happen if it's going to break New York midnight open? Break below New York midnight open with displacement and closure should offer move down, where I'm going to aim for possible daily immediate rebalance at 69.63. Yeah, we are going to have news at 10. I know, guys. But I'm going to trade gold at this point. Just click equal. It's even better. See, CFD, gold didn't take previous day low. So, let's just hope to get short. Let's check silver again. I'm going to set alert at previous day low level. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Nothing. Waiting for the closure. So, guys, what is your bias on gold? Let's try to compare what I'm missing. Guys, what I'm missing on... you said 650. Okay, I like it. What I'm missing on gold. I mean, we didn't get the closure yet. I'm looking for short down to new low of the day. But what I'm missing right now with my setup. Yeah, definitely equal highs. What else? Do you see reason not to drop? I mean, yeah, displacement. I'm just trying to think about the logic of this drop. I'm not obsessed with gold today. I'm obsessed with silver more. But since silver already dropped a lot, probably I'm just going to execute gold. You're looking for bullish. Why? I can expect some bullishness because I don't mind to see silver slightly higher. Daniel, you said hourly order block. 1 second, I'm gonna check this. Oh, this one, right? Yeah, we tapped 3 times already to this order block. Okay, let's hide all drawings from here. Let's hide indicator from here. What do you see? What we see here? We see low resistance to downside, right? At least to drop to this liquidity here, which seems like equal lows, right? What else we can see here? We got early fair value gap. Trying to build low resistance to upside as well. So what I would like to see first? I would like to see silver higher, just to take this 30-minute fair value gap. For retracement on gold, I would say it can be early fair value gap over here, but once it offers the closure below sequence of up close candles, probably I'm not interested in this anymore. Okay. A bit tricky for me just for now. I don't know, I feel good today. Like nothing bad. You seems happy today. Guys, don't forget to click the like, because more likes, more giveaways. More likes, more giveaways. Okay, guys, market open. Let's see if gold is going to offer something for us. Also going to watch yes and NQ. So as you can see, yes, trying to stay above New York midnight open. So maybe just going to bounce towards this previous monthly high and 7,000 without retracing down here. But if it's going to bounce to 7,000, we can try to short right after this. Okay. Asia high taken. What next? ICT stopped out. What he traded? Thank you. Come on, Silver, the trace for us. Be kind with us. Okay. NQ trying to stay above New York midnight open so far. Yes, still above this level. We took Asia high. I guess on both, right? No, not on both. We took Asia high. We have minor SMT right now between ES and NQ. We got the test of Friday high. So as I said before, back to original plan, if it's going to break below New York midnight open with displacement, should drop to this possible daily mid rebalance. Okay. Or it's going to offer closure below sequence of up-close candles on gold, we'll try to short. We have a couple of plans. So if ES and NQ is going to be BS price action, we are going to try to trade gold. If gold is going to be BS price action, we are going to trade nothing. Hello, long time no see. I guess couple of months. Where you were working, I remember, yeah. News at 10. Yeah, no rush, guys. Market just opened. Should it be in rush? Of course not. Oh. Don't forget to click the like. So more giveaways coming, guys. I promised TradeZella. I will do TradeZella this week. 12-month subscriptions. So feels like ES and NQ not in sync right now. Wow. ES really trying to break New York midnight open while NQ just straight move up. News in 27 minutes. Just chilling right now. It's spamming. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this, but not right now. It's just going to take so much time. Look how ES trying to break New York midnight open while NQ displaced above this level. No trades here. I like Silver trying to retrace higher, which is perfect for me. Still flat. Nothing here for me. Okay. Not in sync. I don't like it, honestly. No, I'm still flat. I didn't see any setups yet that I'm going to trade. Flat? I don't like anything yet. It's fine. I'm just going to wait. Look at the ES, really trying to stay above New York midnight open. On gold, we have hourly fair value gap higher, so maybe we're going to bounce to hourly fair value gap first. Let's talk about silver again. On silver, maybe bounce towards this 30-minute fair value gap. Yes, please. You check SPX. Honestly, not even talk about SPX because it keep creating new all-time high. We don't even have like RTH gap. Wow, this price action boring. Yeah, guys, let's talk about something. I guess we are going to wait for 10 a.m. news because market is boring. Yeah, once I see setup on gold, guys, I'm going to just jump straight and I will show you. I see nothing, so nothing to recommend you or nothing to trade for me personally. When you look at NQ, it has a lot of upside in comparison to US. Now SPX, yeah. Well, it's not in sync right now, which means as long as above New York midnight open, no matter what is going on, in sync, not in sync, whatever, it's going to continue going higher. Right? Let's back to gold. I see something is going on there. Where's my setup? Why disappeared? Oh, looking for short. Come on, not that fast. Where's my setup? It was here before. Oh yeah, it's here. What's wrong with this closure? I cannot be in. I'm waiting for the closure. It was straight idea. Waiting for the closure to short this shit down. No foam right now. We're trading setup. We're going to follow the rules, no matter what. Okay, market makers. Wow. What's wrong with you? No FOMO, guys. Feel like just okay. Nothing here. I mean, yes, we got drop. This is what we expect to get, but do we have setup for this? No. It's fine. Interesting because look at silver. Silver didn't really move lower or higher. Still above New York midnight open. Hello, hello. No, if you sign up on my website yesterday, you're good. $44.64 is your stop loss. And again, TradingView, what I like is we have room to go lower on both silver and gold, but what I don't like, look at silver. It didn't really move yet, which makes me feel like, let me think about this. Okay, we got payment LB on gold. No, come on. So So guys, I'm doing giveaway right now. See pinned message in the chat. I'm going to pin this right now. 1 second. If you go on my website and click giveaways, I'm going to send you link right now again. I'm doing giveaway right now. 50k gross account for giveaway. I'm doing giveaways every single day. So you can fill the form now. Here's the link. Once I enter the trade, I will show you guys. No, I'm not in. Here's the link to enter giveaway for 50k gross account. If you're going to share across your social media, you will be able to get extra entry. So if you would like to participate in daily giveaways, you can check website daily because I'm doing giveaways even off streams. Just sign up, fill the form. That's pretty much it. Once again, here's the link if you would like to participate in giveaway. I'm okay to try to trade silver with one micro because this is big on eval. If gold is going to displace now, I can try to trade short on gold. Stop loss is going to be, I guess, somewhere here. Trade 2 of them. It's going to be $1,600 risk. Are you kidding me? Trying to displace, I like it. How big risk is going to be? $300? Not that big. Three micros, $300 to make 500. Yeah, I'm going to trade three micros. Probably on gold or 1 micro on silver. It's just okay for me. It's kind of volatile right now, but okay, I do like the setup for short here. Still flat. So once we'll enter the trade, I will tell you and we'll show you. Quite tricky. BS price action on silver. I guess yes, going to 7,000 first. I don't remember day when I was trading mini contracts on my fund accounts. Like seriously. About NQ. On NQ, previous week high and daily volume imbalances levels where we're going right now. No, maybe not right now, today. So far, I don't like price action everywhere. Full port dash, nothing to full port yet. I'm just going to wait. Nothing that's worth to try, even with a couple of micros. I don't mind to trade gold. Looks good setup, but I don't like silver, to be honest, for this. It's just consolidating. You can delete some text if you want. Sorry about this. It's only me or market looks like garbage right now everywhere? Market makers, kindly asking, just one setup and I'm going to be done for the day. I'm not going to trade more. Just give me like just one textbook setup. And yeah, I promise I'm going to close my charts. I'm not going to trade anymore. Just textbook, I'm going to be in this trade, and that's it. I don't care if it's going to be even silver or CL, something, just textbook. And I promised I will disconnect all my accounts. I will enjoy my day. Don't be like this. The setup close to textbook, but not textbook yet. because silver still has room to go higher. Okay, guys, what's the reason? I mean, yeah, we have equal highs. It can be like barrier for us, but what's the reason not to drop? If not here, but after taking these highs, an hourly fair value gap. Oh, actually, just 1 second. Let me show you something. See this hourly fair value gap? Okay, if it's not going to drop from here, which is honestly textbook setup for me for short, ignoring silver. But why not? Why not to do this? Yeah, I'm looking for sell. I just don't see any displacement that it really wants to confirm. Okay, let's try to short this. It's just consolidating so far. Since market open, nothing happened. Let me delete for now. So we're going to wait for silver to bounce towards this area to try this on a wall. Any other trades, if it's not going to be in silver, we'll trade unfunded. Just keep in mind, guys, this potential silver trade, if it's going to happen, I will show 3-minute OB, and you need to keep in mind, with one micro contract, that's, you cannot trade lower than this, smaller than this. You're going to risk $800. But since I really would like to try, and I don't trade paper money accounts, I'm going to try to trade this on evaluation. So I'm okay to risk this amount on evals, 150k evals. Silver long, you know, let me show you. Let's talk about silver since I'm waiting for silver setup. Let's think in terms of market structure. Like always think in terms of market structure. What we had? Nice move up. Where? Toward previous week high level. Amazing. Looks so bullish. It left equal highs. It left previous week high level and offered reversal. That's brilliant. But what we can see here, it didn't take previous week high level. Yeah, it was a couple of ticks away, but it didn't take this level. Which means what? Failure to take swing high will reverse market to opposite liquidity level in discount or near equilibrium, right? Which means what? Okay, nearest obvious liquidity level near equilibrium or discount is going to be previous day low level. That's like minimum, like at least we should drop there, preferably more. Next, we got daily sweep over here. See this? Let's use time frame alignment chart and we'll understand this. Okay, we have sweep. What else? What should happen next? In order to confirm sweep, we need to get OB on lower time frame. So lower time frame for daily chart is going to be hourly chart. So did we get confirmation of daily sweep? Yeah, of course, we got hourly order block. 2R, so we're trading 2R. It's same setup I trade on lower time frame, 30 minute, 3 minute. Is going to be right at this liquidity level, right below the bottom of daily fair value gap. But knowing market structure, we don't really need to get 2R, we need to get the move toward near obvious sell side, previous day low level. Price right now approaching previous day low level. But okay, obviously we are not going to execute hourly chart, we are going to trade something on lower time frame. And let's try to jump on lower time frame and see what is going on there. So we have some untapped levels. For example, it could be 30-minute fair value gap. It's still open fair value gap or untapped fair value gap. This is what I meant. If it's going to go to this fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap, I don't know, like maybe we are going to balance this. I don't know yet. But if we are going to tap this fair value gap and it will offer 30-minute order block, not 30-minute, come on, Dasha, 3-minute order block, 3-minute OB, maybe 5-minute OB, but 3-minute OB better. I will try to short where to previous day low level. Yeah, that's the plan. I hope it makes sense. Once again, 2R remains lower, but okay, another invalidation. Let's say it's going to close below this near lower time frame swing low. We can just scalp the short with stop loss over here. Just quick scalp. But I don't mind to enter short on gold because we have structure for this. Yeah, it left equal highs. It left hourly fair value gap. That's actually okay. But if it's going to displace, I may try to short down to new lows a day. Yeah, that's the plan, guys. Let's talk about indices. I don't see a lot yet. We do have SMT. ES took previous week high. ES took previous monthly high. While NQ took, I guess, nothing. So will this SMT be enough for us to say, okay, let's try to short once ES breaks below New York midnight open to aim for possible daily mid rebalance? I would say yes, it will be enough for me. So potential short is going to be break below this level, short down to possible daily mid rebalance. So far, that's my trade ideas on silver, gold, and ES, but I don't see setup here. I mean, entry here yet. So just going to wait. Sometimes you need to wait for hours to get set up and trade for and sit in this trade for 5 minutes. This happens, but yeah. Sometimes it's going to happen, unfortunately, or fortunately. You know, gold, it's really tricky. I'm not fan of gold right now because gold took previous day high, previous day low level. So for me, it's already like probably potential second true profile for the day. I'm not good. I usually don't trade this. So that's why I said I would try to wait for silver because silver still has room to go lower. But on gold, like technically, guys, you don't really need to go lower. We took previous day low level. Yeah, we have some daily fair value gap lower. Perfect, amazing. But do we really need to get this drop? Not really. On silver, yes, please. But on gold, kind of like 50-50. Hit the like, guys. Let's do some giveaways. If you want to enter giveaway, here's the link for you guys to participate. About YM, I believe YM dropping right now. YM dropping because indices go high. I mean, yes, and Q go higher. Classic. That's classic. YM is doing exactly what I want to see on ES. I hate it. But we are going to be patient, guys. Let's try to short below New York midnight open. It's going to be like more protected sell-off, if I can say so. I mean, if you trade and you see setup according to your model, never listen to me. I just share my idea and my view on this. Obviously, I can be wrong. This is just how I see this. Yeah, we have news at 10. Let's check silver. Slowly going to 30-minute fair value gap. Oh, you're trading YM. Good job. Yeah, New York midnight open. New York midnight open. It's Eastern time. Yes. I'm going to record a video about New York midnight open. I already prepared a presentation yesterday. I just need to record this. So I will explain how I use New York midnight open, but guys, I use this in completely different way from how ICT explains this. I believe Jade Cup explained this as well. I use in completely different way. So I hope it's going to be helpful for you. Oh, Chris, don't worry. I guess he doesn't see your messages now. Like lots of messages. Don't worry. Okay. So we're waiting for silver bullet right now. I wouldn't engage yet, especially knowing we have news at 10. Yeah, normally people say buy below New York midnight open, sell above New York midnight open. This is what I explained, but I will explain in a bit different way why it's not really. Well, I consider New York midnight open as part of Power of 3. I'm going to cover this in my YouTube video, and you will understand why I don't buy below New York midnight open. I don't sell. I mean, sometimes I sell to New York above New York midnight open, but I'm aiming for New York midnight open. It's TP. So I'm going to explain everything. I took nothing today yet, right? It's already 10:55 and no trades. So I guess that's okay. I didn't see setup according to the model, so that's okay. Just need to wait. Okay, look at silver. I like it. Look at silver. Silver traded at my area. Okay, right now I'm just going to wait. What kind of reaction we are going to get? I'm going to delete this for now. So silver hit my first level. About to hit this first level. So let's see if it's going to overset up. I'm going to open this on another screen. Where is chat going? I don't know. Let's be patient. So it's okay. News in 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. I'm just going to wait. Garbage. 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 Just consolidation. It's not really garbage. Just consolidation. ICT stepped out. Yes, someone already mentioned this in the chat before. Guys, any trades open for you right now? Shorts, long, which instrument you trade? Nothing I like. I'm waiting for setup as well. Gold just bounced inside like tight consolidation right now. Not fan of this at all. Oil short. TP. New York midnight open. I wish I was in trade before market open, but nothing was presented according to the model. So, still flat. Gold just up and down, up and down. Yeah. No signals yet. It's not financial advice, by the way. I'm just kidding, but I see nothing yet. That's worth to try. Okay, market makers, send me please something. I would like to trade something, please. Be kind with us. We were waiting for setup for already like 2 hours. Nothing happened. Okay, guys, news came out. News came out. News came out. Ninja Trader stopped working. It's fine. fine. It's fine. Don't worry, Ninja Trader. Ay. Of course, it's going to drop now because why not? Sorry, guys. SIL. Where is my 1 micro? Oh, yes, also good. Are you eating peanuts again? No. I'm just sick because kids getting sick seems like. Short below New York midnight open on Q. Oh, no, not on Q, yes. Let's try to stick to original plan. Your sister name is Masha. Why it's Masha? Why? This switch on 3-minute chart. Just garbage. Look, gold. I'm watching gold. I opened micro silver because I may actually try to 1 micro on silver. It built in low resistance to. Sorry, guys. It's built into low resistance to downside right now on micro silver. I'm looking for short on silver to aim for previous day low level at 75.7. Let me calculate on my calculator a risk. So if I'm going to trade with 1 micro, oh my god, how many? I'm going to risk like $500, even $600. That's a lot. Can you long gold? Long? Long? I'm looking for short on the silver. To aim for previous day low level. Let's stick to original plan. 3-minute OB should be entry. On gold, plan was a bit different. Sell down to new lows a day. Really would like to try silver, but guys, I don't recommend to do this to you because it's going to be big risk. Personally, I will trade with 1 micro. If it's going to close below levels I mentioned before. But you need to keep in mind, if it's going to close below levels that I mentioned before, it's going to be like really big risk. It's at least it's going to be $600. So I wouldn't risk this. Don't recommend to risk you unless you trade eval or it's going to be a micro silver trade, SIL. I will trade lucid evals with this. What I wanted to say, yeah. If it's going to close, I will try to stick to my original plan. Closure below will short down to previous day low level. Original plan, let's stick to this. Like it. On gold, honestly, not going to try to trade gold. I changed my mind, guys, not trading gold because it's consolidation. I cannot even understand where is better entry for this. Yes, price action. Or yes, which one is going to be better? I don't know yet, but closure below New York midnight open, short down to 69.63. Maybe. I think so. Or nothing. I'm going to be flat until the end of the session. Because since market open, I don't know why, but I didn't see like setups that's really worth to try. Yeah, 1 micro contract. On silver, if I'm going to engage, it's going to be huge risk. Imagine, guys, to trade this with 1 mini contract. If I'm going to risk, let's say, how much I'm going to risk, like 600, 700 bucks with 1 mini contract, it's going to be 7,000. I like it. Let's risk entire drawdown. I mean, I have daily loss limit, but that's insane. I don't want to think about the profit. I'm going to think about the amount I'm going to risk. Yeah, profit is going to be like, if you're going to risk 7K, you're going to make at least 13K. Of course, it sounds great, but you're risking 7K. That's different. So no, thank you. So we got tip of New York midnight open. It's not closure, guys. NQ still trying to stay above New York midnight open. Oh. Well, do it? No, I will trade 1 micro. Stop it, Frank. I have daily loss limit. I'm going to hit daily loss limit without even hitting stop loss. No, thank you. You just break even? I'm flat for now as well, but I will short probably silver. Micro silver, 1 contract. How big? At least 1.5. We can get at least 1.5. $1.7. Well, I'm not going to look for only like 2 R trades. I'm okay with 1 R trade as long as I'm in profit immediately once I enter the trade. I'm okay with 1.5 R trade. Yeah, I mean, no complaints. Gold garbage, closure below this level, I can try to short. So idea is we breaking below, retesting, dropping. So closing gold for today. I'm not going to even comment this anymore. Get rid of the loss sleep. You know, I remember David, I already discussed this before, Project X. I didn't know like I cannot trade micro silver. I saw like a perfect textbook set up there. Of course, I was like, who cares? I'm going to trade 1 mini contract. Guys, immediately down 2K. Immediately. Another attempt. Immediately hit daily loss limit. It didn't even hit stop loss. It just hit daily loss limit. So let's stick to 1 micro. It will be funny if we are going to make $1,000 trading 1 micro on silver. It's going to be insane, I would say. Unfortunately, we cannot take partials with 1 micro. Unfortunately. So we will trail stop loss immediately. Because I believe if it's going to overset up, we are going to risk around 700 bucks, guys, to make almost 1200. Yeah, around so, like 1100. Which means if it's going to like displace, it's better just continue trailing because it's just huge risk. Wow. DRT. What is DRT? DRT. I don't know what is this. Would like to short silver, guys. Am I crazy? I don't see something on the indices yet. Deviant range. I have no idea what is this. I would like to probably try short. 1 second. And looks good to me. Guys, I'm going to try short on the vol. I think so. Yeah. It's going to be a risk around like $600, I think so. 1 micro. Wish me good luck. Wish me good luck. You know, guys, it's funny to say, but I feel my heartbeat right now 300. You know, guys, I was feeling same way on NQ. Gold! What are you doing? It's just huge risk, honestly. Guys, I'm going to trail quickly because I don't want to risk a lot. Move to break even? Guys, I'm just trying to get rid of this, this habit. I know, guys. Look at gold. Gold! What a joke. I don't know. It's going to be because of you guys. I tried to break even because of you. Okay, we took internal sell side. I'm kidding right now. I'm just trying to aim for previous day low level. Guys, I was risking $600 with 1 micro contract. I swear to the God. Okay, let's stick to original plan. I'm aiming for previous day low level. I guess I wasn't even 1 hour yet. Like minute when I said I don't want to short gold anymore, and they dropped. What a stupid idea, come on. Look at gold. Bitches, come on, guys. Daniel, good for you. Oh my god. Guys, I entered not on a Val. I trade direct accounts right now. Come on, Dasha. I feel like sometimes I'm doing stupid things. Let's trail. Let's just quickly trail. It's my base hit already, guys. My base hit already. My base hit is $500. Just keep dropping. What? What it's doing? Guys, tell me I close my trade at $700. Why I need more? Like seriously. Down. I'm going to close. Guys, one micro contract. I closed. Now straight move down. Guys, stress. Guys, honestly, I feel my heartbeat 300 right now. I'm not going to lie. Yeah. It's stressful trade. But we plan this trade. I could make 1,000. It's okay. It's better to close. Stressful. Guys, swear to the God, I wish I was in gold trade. Our trade idea play out there. Now it's going to be straight move down to previous day low level, because why not? Let's see if it's going to drop to previous day low. It was a micro silver, guys. Yeah, good trade, but you know, I wouldn't repeat this experience. I wish I was short on gold. Our original trade idea play out twice, so I had to stick to original plan. Seen new lows a day. As always, analysis on point, just decide to trade silver for some magical reason. Yeah, good trade. Win, it's win. I agree with you. It's just about like how I felt. Because, you know, guys, you see how I trade live and you don't see stress. I felt stress on this trade. We have set up on ES as well. I would like to see gold lower. Come on, Dasha. I had to stick to plan. Gold should go lower, I believe. Even silver should go lower. I hope I locked some profit, but where I wanted to short... We wanted to short from somewhere from here. It was about to hit stop loss, but never hit this, right? I would like to see it drop in here. On gold. It's not done yet. Who took short on gold? Honestly, if I wasn't short on gold, I felt way better. I think gold will go lower as well, yeah. Gold was perfect, guys, I'm not going to lie. It was 10 times better. Seriously, 10 times better. Come on, gold, drop for everyone. Please. You need 100 extra bucks. Just trail your stop loss. Maybe we are going to trade continuation pattern on gold. Why was stressful? Because of risk. You know, guys, I know mentally I'm not ready to increase my risk. I know why, but mentally I'm not ready to this. And here risk was $600. It's not typical for me. Because, you know, I'm like risking $300 to make $500, $600. Everything above is extra. And when I have bigger risk and I know it's just 1 micro, of course I feel stressful because I cannot take partial to lock some profit. I cannot do anything. This is why I don't trade 1 mini contract. I prefer 10 micros even if I'm going to pay more commission. And for me, it's very important to lock some profit if I can do so. So here I know it's either going to be stop loss or TP. I cannot do anything else. I cannot take any partials to leave my target to final TP. I cannot do anything. And that's extremely stressful for me. And that's why I felt like stressful, because I know I'm going to either lose, like say, since I trail pretty quickly to $500, or I'm going to win today. And last time my experience with silver was extremely bad. I hit daily loss limit. It was almost 4K, guys. It was within like 5 or 7 minutes. Because I wasn't able to trade micros, and I only traded 1 mini contract. Exactly same way. You understand you're going to either lose a lot or you're going to win a lot. And I guess after this, I feel like I trade silver I feel same way as I trade NQ. When I was trading NQ, I also felt like stressful. I felt like my heartbeat is 300. You know, you probably understand this. And when I entered the trade, I immediately told you, I feel like my heartbeat right now like more than usual. When I trade ES and gold, my heartbeat, I need to actually like to check on my watches. Always same. It's around like 70, 80. Always same. But here, 100% it was more. Because I felt like through my chest. That's why. It's all about how we... It's very important, by the way, guys, to journal your emotions on when you trade different instruments. For example, how you feel when you trade in Q. It's not funny, Frank. It's my pain and you laughing at it. How you feel when you trade in ES, gold, silver, CL, Forex, whatever. But guys, I felt stressful. It's not a problem. You need to journal this. Because I stopped trading in Q because I felt this pressure. I'm okay to lose. I'm okay to take losses. It's just part of the game. I understand this. But I'm not okay to lose a lot when I know I cannot risk less. Because I'm trading already small size. Take money and go on vacation. Oh, no, it's not because of this. It's like how I feel when I trade. And once I stopped trading in Q and switched to ES, I stopped feeling this. I pretty much chilling when I'm trading in ES or gold. I feel like nothing. You need to say it all. You make it relax. Micros don't stress me as well. I always feel perfectly fine with this. I hope you understand what I mean, right? But yeah, guys, hit the like. So, some scalps inside stressful environment. Hello, if you just joined. Yeah, you understand this. And I'm not sure you can improve this because, yeah, I know from my personal experience, when I'm trying to trade different instruments, I feel completely... Why are you stressed? I already explained that. I'm not stressed anymore. I was stressed before. Yeah, I mean, I just want to share because once again, I'm a person, I have emotions, I can feel something. And I just would like to share what I feel. That's why exactly when I entered the trade, I told you I feel stressed. I use Replikanto. How to do this? You should set up trade monitor. I'm okay how to do this. I'm happy when you're stressed. Come on, it's not something helpful or supportive from you. I know, I'm going to trade PM session as well. Come on, I have still a while, which I wanted to trade, but I was... confused with accounts. It's same name, still just one letter difference. I was like, it's vals. TradeThinker. Yeah, I'm testing TradeThinker now. It's my second copier. I'm testing this. Guys, I will give you my review on TradeThinker soon. Like in a couple of months. I'm testing this. I will announce winners at 11. I trade live during PM session every single day, but on Tradify TV, every single day. It's really hard to say about cloud-based or offline-based because I saw lots of complaints about cloud-based copiers. So I don't think that's issue for me. So can you ask Tradify to add micros? Yeah, I'm going to contact Brett and say, come on, Brett. I was about to have heart attack today. You need to add micros. I'm not going to change copier. You know, I believe with TradeThinker, I can trade this on Mac without any like, I don't need to download parallel windows or how to call this. So I'm just going to be, I'm going to be able to trade, copy my accounts on Mac. That's only, I guess, benefit. These micros, I mean, let's check ES. Back to ES chart. Yeah, guys, I hide nothing when I trade. I feel I'm pretty transparent with my trades. Yeah, I will do this video about volume profile, but first video is going to be about New York Midnight Open. You guys clearly can see live how picky I am with entries. I feel so bad I didn't enter where I wanted to enter initially. I wanted to enter here on gold. It's okay. Could we get to R already? 1.7. But I would close here as I wanted before. I was paper trading for, I would say, from June 2022 to September 2022. So this means 3, maybe 4 months I was paper trading. I know, guys, what I'm going to share right now, I don't like to paper trade. Why? Because I don't feel these emotions. I don't feel these emotions. I feel nothing. I'm going to click sell here because I want to do this. Do I need stop loss? Who cares about stop loss? Only losers using stop loss. I'm not loser, so I'm going to just trade without stop loss. TP, whatever. Where it's going, I'm going to take my partial. I'm going to take my profit. I'm going to trade 1 million contracts because I want to do this. I mean, you don't feel anything, right? When I trade the vals, I wouldn't say I feel something. But if I want to say, if you want to ask me what I want to trade, when I see BS setup, but I would like to try this, eval or paper money, I would go with evaluation accounts, because at least I paid for this, right? Can we long on gold? I mean, I want to see lower, and my I guess concern, silver still has room to go lower. How far you want to see gold? I can think about potential move toward New York Midnight Open, but I'm not thinking about more. Yes, let's see. Let's see. We got the rest of New York, guys. So far, exactly what I want to see is going on silver scissors, not silver, yes. But check in Q, guys. In Q, what are you doing? Just asking. I'm just trying to understand what are you doing. You even emotional on paper. I feel nothing. Like, seriously. I was like, I don't need stop loss. Who cares? I'm going to just full port. Because whatever. It's free. It's funny because look at the NQ. NQ keep going higher. We have SMT. But yes. Okay, you can use my, I have calculator, guys, to share with you how to calculate contract size. You can, I was using this calculator to calculate my contract size, but I was like, okay, calculator, I want to risk $300. How many micros should I trade? Result, 0. I'm serious, guys. Let me show you. It's funny. How can I show you? I was like, see this? I have 150K account. Let's say my maximum. I was like, okay, whatever, $1,000. Risk amount $300. I want to trade. I want to risk like this amount of points. Micro silver. Okay, calculator, help me to figure out contract size. 0. This means you don't need to trade anything. Just it's funny. Guys, I will announce winners in 30 minutes for giveaway. Possible long on gold. Yeah, if it's going to offer right now, it's actually offered already, right? Other block. What is your TP for long on gold? Like New York Midnight Open, already fair value gap, equal highs. What are you aiming for? Link for giveaway. I forgot to send 1 second. I'm gonna send right now. $44.64. Let me see, because I'm okay to trade again. Oh, you're trying to scalp. I got it. So basically 64 is equal highs. I got it. $44.85. Oh, you want to see London high. Okay. I didn't want to trade again, but let's see what kind of setup I'm going to trade. What kind of setup I'm going to trade? You have double sweep. Yeah, remember, double sweep usually good confirmation. I agree with you. I would say it's just a bit choppy to me, but yeah, I agree with your point of view here. Feels like 1 5-minute chart we got OB, right? This hourly candle definitely looks more bullish. So if you're aiming for New York Midnight Open or hourly fair value gap, probably it should hit this. Yes, just guys, really crazy, just crazy. I'm going to sit here for the next 30 minutes. Maybe we'll find another setup. Let's be patient. So I'm okay to trade more. Let me switch on micro. Yes. See, guys, I trade micros, and that's perfectly fine. I trade 5 micros on ES, 7 micros on ES. I don't feel bad about this. I know, guys. I know lots of live traders on YouTube trade mini contracts, but you know, I'm pretty much conservative with my targets. I have consistency rule on my fund accounts, most of my fund accounts. So I prefer to stick to small profit, like base hit, and just walk away. Right now, I don't know why, but most of the time I trade on the TradingView and Lucid accounts. I don't know why, like seriously. Why? I mean, I don't know. I still would like to see silver lower. Hourly setup still active. See this hourly setup on silver? I don't see any validation of the setup just yet. We have potential hourly sweep. Do we have 5-minute OB to confirm the sweep? Not yet. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to be like transparent with my trades, with my trade ideas, and yeah, sorry guys, sometimes I'm really waiting for 2 hours and sometimes I'm missing setups, I know. But I'm very picky with trades. Like all stars should align so for me to be in trade. Trade. Okay, I still have straight to funded. I didn't blow them yet. I obviously didn't take any daily payouts yet because I'm with straight to fund accounts now. I have past evals, but they're not active yet. They just evals still because I didn't blow lightning funded. So for 25k accounts, guys, seriously, I don't recommend to risk more than $200 per day. So consider your risk per trade. With idea, my risk per day is going to be $200, maybe $250. So for example, if you trade a lot during the day, you can risk $100 per trade. Maybe like 75, but 75 it's really hard with one micro, like nowadays. So trade one two micros probably is going to be like your risk with current range. Yeah, if you sign for giveaway, you're good. You're good. You're very welcome. Which 25 account you have? TradingView? Or you have Funded Next? Guys, who traded 25k accounts? Tell me why you didn't pick 50k. Why you decided to go with 25k? Like, real question, why? If I was market maker, I would drop below New York midnight open toward possible daily immediate rebalance. What is going on? Wait a minute. I see volatility. Market makers. If I was market maker, I would drop below New York midnight open to possible daily immediate rebalance. I'm just saying this, but you can hear me one time. One time. Just once. It was because of price? Volatility. We have news or something. Where to read? Let me check financial juice. It doesn't work. Financial juice doesn't work. What just happened? That's the real question, guys. What just happened? Oh yeah, here we go. What time is this? 10:40. Nothing. Guys, what just happened? I need to figure this out. I know what just happened. Maybe something about war. 10:40. 10:40. What happened? We need to know. I mean, it doesn't really important for us anymore because we don't need to know. China's old NVIDIA. Oh, interesting. Yeah, let me check NVIDIA real quick. Oh, just like, wow. Straight like down. Not really straight down because it's not straight down. We have news for oil at 10:30 every single Wednesday. By the way, oil tested New York midnight open as well. Do you see the type on ES for now? I don't. I will wait. Guys, I'm going to steam for the next 30 minutes. So let's see if we are going to get another trade. Are you in Michael private mentorship? No, never was. Hello, Peter. How are you doing? Yeah, thank you so much for keeping me updated because I was trying to find information on financial juice, but... Oh, I see now. It just popped out there. Okay. China tells tech companies to hold NVIDIA. Okay. H200 chips orders. Yeah. Okay, I see. Took my yes. You know what happened yesterday? I got 2 perfect trade ideas on gold. Took break even, and so fine to say, to the tick break even, and immediately went to TP. Immediately, without any retracements lower or higher, because I was on shorts and longs. Immediately. This happens a lot with me, seriously. Alan, you know, I don't know when it's going to happen, but today I would like to see 69.63. Maybe I'm asking too much, but looking at daily chart, what's the point not to offer immediate rebalance here? Like seriously, what's the point not to drop again on NQ to this level, 708? I mean, this book's from 2022. About ICT 2020 mentorship. Of course, after this, I learned way more than I knew back 2022. This book is almost 4 years old. This doesn't have like updated information. So this book was written once I finished 2022 mentorship. Yeah, it's pretty old. But yeah, still has basic information, but now I know way more than I knew before. Oh, thank you guys. No, guys, I'm not going to write any new books. So I'm just sharing everything I know here. Guys, it's really hard. If you think like it was easier, especially back 2022, my English wasn't perfect. I'm not going to write new books. No, ICT said he's going to release new book in June? June, I guess. Or so. I'm going to buy his book. See how we stuck at New York Midnight Open? Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the like. So I'm doing giveaways daily. I'm trying to trade daily. You know, it's funny to say because today I woke up with... I was feeling like I'm not going to trade today because price action is going to be BS. And I didn't even look at charts yet. Honestly, today it was BS. Somehow I made money, but it really somehow. Guys, I became like profitable only last year. Like beginning of last year. So it took me almost 3 years. 2.5. But I'm going to be transparent, it took me a lot. Because you see lots of people on X saying like I made like millions and I was trading for 1 year only. I'm like, something wrong with me. You just notice this? But to say like profitable, guys, last year, 2025. consistently profitable, maybe since like June, July 2025, like consistently, once I stopped trading NQ. Then I found consistency. It's funny to say, I cannot blame NQ for my stupid mistakes. But once I stopped trading this, my trading improved, like, I know, like, improved a lot. So, you know, it's really tricky for me to short, but I don't mind to see short below New York midnight open to aim for 69.63. I guess concerns that NQ is still above this level, and we never detested it since market open. What do you trade now? Today I traded micro silver, just one micro. Yesterday we traded, what we traded? Gold and ES. Pretty much daily I trade gold and ES, but I was looking for short on gold today. 5 times, I guess, I was looking for short from same price level to aim for this level for new lows today, but ended up taking a short on silver. So I closed here. I shorted silver, SIL. I shorted silver. I shorted on my list accounts. This trade. It was one micro contract. I still would like to see silver lower. I'm not going to trade silver anymore. It's stressful for me. That's it. So far, that's it, but I'm not going to give up, guys. I would like to trade some ES. Guys, if I'm not going to execute on AM session, I'm still in PM session. First presented fair value gap, I believe 1 minute chart, because he was discussing first presented fair value gap on 1 minute chart a lot. How many fund accounts you fail? Back to August 2025, I blew everything. I just 99% of my accounts. It was 20. I'm still in PM session on Tradify. AM session on my channel. Sometimes on Ninja Live, but most of the time here. Okay, let's back to August. I blew 20 Epics accounts. I blew my funded futures. I blew funded next. I blew TPT. I blew, what else? Funding ticks. Everything, guys. Still a question, what is your monthly target with profit, right? Of course, I like once you made, let's say 10K a month, you want more, right? Once you made, let's say 30K a month, you want more. For example, you made 50K, you want more. Of course, every single month I want more. From Apex, yes, but yeah. Not because of too much sugar, it just was me. I wasn't in sync with market. Since August I didn't blow anything yet. I hope I'm not going to blow anything. But yeah. What made you turn from loss to profitable? That's a great question. Let's talk about this. So guys, I stopped chasing the price. I don't have FOMO right now. You know this. And I'm not trying to recover my trades from loss. If I took loss, I'm just walking away. Why? Because when you have model, and that's keyword model, that you trade, your stop loss is your trade idea invalidation. This means if this level is going to be taken, this setup, this model today is not going to be valid anymore. You executed based on model, your stop loss was trade idea invalidation, your TP is your TP, like you aiming for something, right? And once I started trading only model, and once I started taking losses based on this trade idea, for example, nothing works 100% of the time, right? Nothing works 90% of the time. So once you start sticking to your model, you will start caring about losses. Like seriously, guys. Because you know this model works, you backtested this, you forward test this, you know it works. Let's say you took lots of payouts with this model. It works, but they didn't work. This happens because nothing works all the time, right? and you will stop caring about this. You don't need to read any psychology books to understand this, and you don't need to buy any courses to understand this. Just trade model. Without model in trading, you're just chasing the price. Do you have kids? I have 2 kids, guys. I have 2 kids, 2 boys, 4 and 6. My youngest one is going to be 5 in 11 days, January 18. Trail stop. Okay, you know, my husband always keeps saying, Dasha, trail your stop loss to lock some profit. And it's really hard to say because I trail my stop loss pretty quickly. I don't know if it's issue or not, but I'm trying to protect my trade pretty quickly. When I see displacement, this means I don't want to give my money to market anymore. I'm going to trail. You know, I have daily loss limit, and it's going to sound funny. I have most of my accounts 150k accounts. Only Epix is 50k accounts. 1 second, guys, someone is calling me. Yeah, guys, by the way, about giveaway. If you entered giveaway, stay here in the chat, because if you won, you need to tell me, it's me, I'm here, I won, woohoo, something, right? So if you entered giveaway, please stay here. I'm going to announce winners in 8 minutes, okay? So where I stopped? Where I stopped? Where I stopped? Yeah, I'm trying to stop loss in profit quickly because I want to lock some profit. How to enter? Let me send you link. I'm doing 50k TradingView accounts today. So once again, if you entered giveaway, here's the link in the chat. You need to stay here. Stay in the chat. So tell me, I won. Woohoo, I'm so happy. I'm here. Just to make sure you're here, I want to make sure you're watching and not just enter it and walk away. But yeah, do you have hard rules to stop trading for the day? Yeah, I have daily loss limit. Most of my accounts 150k accounts, and honestly, once I'm down $350, I don't trade anymore in these accounts. I know I have like huge room for drawdown on 150k accounts, but I don't care about this. I risk in $350 per day. So yeah. Another question. How to enter? I sent link in the chat. Okay, let's talk about this just from my personal experience, but guys, everyone experiences. I hate to have winning trades every single day, because when you have winning strike for like, let's say 2 or 3 weeks, every single loss is going to be painful for you. So what usually happens, I'm not saying all the time, but what usually happens when you were winning for 2-3 weeks in a row and you suddenly lost? You're trying to recover this loss, because how is it possible? I was green every single day and here, boom, I took a loss. You're trying to recover this loss. And 90% of traders are trying to recover loss after winning strike, for example, 2 weeks, blowing these accounts, same day. Because we cannot control our emotions most of the time, and it's really the hardest part. What I found works for me is just shut down my computer. Because of course I feel like I want to recover this loss. I'm going to full port to recover this loss to be slightly in profit. And when you're trying to recover from loss, most of the time you feel nothing. And somewhere like deep inside you, you're ready to lose this account. You're ready to blow this account. If you're going to blow this account, you're going to be fine with this first 10 minutes once you did this. Agree with me? And it's really hard. It's hard for me as well. When I take in loss, and just immediately, I don't think about anything, immediately turn off my Ninja Trader. No matter what will happen right after this, I'm going to shut down. I don't need this anymore. Everyone experiences this, right? Even me still experiences. So what works better is just walk away immediately. Because once again, when you take small loss, and before this you got like 3 weeks in a row of winning trades, it's not going to hurt your account. Yeah, you're going to just be like $300 down, right? It's okay. It's not going to affect you somehow. But if you're trying to recover, like every single trade that you're trying to recover, will it be based on setup? Of course not. Will it be based on something? Of course not. You see up close candle, you're trying to long with 2 tick stop loss. You see down close candle, you're trying to short with 2 tick stop loss. I'm not kidding, it's just true. And just walk away, guys. Losses will happen and you need to understand this. Once again, trust me, when you see someone on Twitter posting, I'm like winning 3-4 weeks in a row, trust me, in 99% of cases, this guy or girl is going to blow account when she or he will see red number. Or it's going to be just huge loss, 10 times bigger than winning trades before. That's why, guys, I never ever watch someone trades live. Never ever. I never ever compare myself with other traders because we all have different experience and different psychological barrier, I would say, if I can say so. Building emotion for years. That's true. That's true, guys. Back 2024, guys, I was crying because of every single loss. I was crying, guys. I'm not kidding. I was crying. And it was quite emotional. I was like, how is it possible? I was wrong. How is it possible? I was wrong? No way I was wrong. Wallet low, wallet high. Let me point your channel. It calls Backtesting. Backtesting. Wait a minute. His channel. He's not active there anymore. Guys, download his videos because maybe he's going to delete this. I don't know what can happen. But this guy, Backtesting, he trades DTFX, but he combines with something like he created. So, highly recommend to watch every single video to understand market structure. You don't need to trade strategy, you don't need to scalp, but this guy gives so like amazing insights about market structure. Wallet low, wallet high, protected low. Here's a link. Backtesting. My mentor is ICT. I mean, guys, you see lots of hate about Michael, but let's be honest. If not Michael, you would never ever learn about fair value gaps, how it works, how to anticipate reversals or something like this. Yeah, of course, you can hate him and saying, I don't trade his strategies, but in reality, you all, like 90% of traders you see right now, last 3-4 years, learn from him. So just respect this guy and stop hating. I trade ICT Concept only, and I'm always going to give him credit. When are you trading with Tanya again? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, like, seriously. Your country is restricted. Do you know which prop firms are allowed in your country? ICT Concept for almost 4 years. I was trying to switch to order flow. It didn't work for me. I back to ICT again. So 4 years. And I didn't jump to any other strategies right after this. So once again, ICT is not strategy itself. It's concept. You need to pick one piece from this concept and just develop your model based on this piece of concept. I'm not going to lie. When I stream alone, my performance is better. Honest, I don't know why. But yeah. Funded next. I believe I have funded next for giveaway. Yes. 1 second, I'm gonna check. Just to make sure. Not today, but I'm going to do some 1 second, I'm going to check. Yeah, I have 425k rapid challenges for giveaway. Not today, but I'm going to run this giveaway. I completely forgot. Thank you for reminding me. Let me... Yeah, sometimes I just forget. I need to, like, I have Google Calendar, because if not good Google Calendar, I would forget everything. Okay, guys, right now I'm going to announce winners for this giveaway. His contribution, exactly right. To the space, yes, exactly. Well, it's fine to say, but I started trading prop firms with Elite Trader. Oh, I don't remember. Well, my very first prop firm was Elite Trader. I didn't remember exact name. Elite Trading or Elite Trader. I had 2 accounts and I blew 2 accounts. It was a VALS, 100k VALS, if not mistaken. I didn't have any payouts. I just blew VALS. I didn't even pass them. It was 100ks. Then I started trading Epics immediately, and I started copy immediately with 3 or 5 accounts. So with I didn't have any payouts with Elite Trader ever. I only blew VALS. From Elite Trader, no, I never received payout. It was 2022, yeah. I was trying to practice what on ICT. I didn't even pass a VALS. It was just, I was like small profit, big loss, small profit, big loss. Back to that year. Oh, Michael mentioned me somewhere? Oh, that's cool. Okay, let me look into dashboard to announce winners. We're doing. Oh, this one. Okay, I found it. Okay, giveaways. Let's announce the winners, guys. Draws today, right? Okay, guys, I hope I improved my picker. It's my own picker. Let's do this. Please don't write winner. Woohoo! Are you in the chat? I'm not going to read this. My bad, guys. But going to text in chat. Hey, man, are you in the chat? If not, I'm going to pick another winner. Yay! Congratulations! Oh, I know you. You often here. Congratulations! You won. 50k gross Tradify evaluation. Let's pick another winner. Look at this. I know who is this. Hey, you won. Slot machine wipe. He should be here. 100%. Yeah, he's in the chat. You won. You won. I guess it's first time on my Steam, right? I see him online. I never ever won something in my life. Painful. Too many is disqualified. Let's see. Because when I'm typing ads and his name, it appears. This means he's in the chat. Wanna trade? I mean, only this one. MXM only, can you please ask him on Discord? Oh, finally. You won. I was waiting for you. I was about to contact you on Discord because you were here. Okay. Another one. Let me take a screenshot. No way. Yeah. J and Blum. Sorry, guys, I'm not going to edit your names because it's really hard to pronounce them. Are you in the chat? Let me try to type your name. J. Yeah, he's J-E-N. From Florida? Are you kidding me? We're close to each other. You're here. I see you. You won. So, guys, I'm going to send you accounts right after Steam. It's going to be 50k gross evals. So this evals you can pass for Monday. If you want to learn about more about Tradify, just go on my YouTube channel. Last video is going to describe every single plan. Congratulations, everyone. Yeah. When will I don't know. Tomorrow I will do more giveaways. For the next week I have some straight to funded. I have some pro Lucid accounts, some flex, some funded next features accounts. Also I have Apex accounts, lots of Apex accounts for giveaway, TPT, and I have TradeZella. So next 2 weeks I'm going to do lots of giveaways. I'm doing giveaways every single day. So tomorrow's Thursday, guys. Yeah, I hope to win the trade and I hope to do perfect giveaway. Yeah, guys, see you. It's my time already. I will see you on Tradify TV today at 1 p.m. in 2 hours. I'm going to stream PM session. Yes, I'm going to stream PM session. I stream PM session every single day. So join on Tradify TV at 1 p.m. Let's try to win there. Let's wait for setup there. So I'm going to trade my Tradify straight to funded. Yeah, guys, see you soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like. I appreciate your support. And guys, don't make stupid mistakes. Market is just a bit choppy for now. Enjoy your day. Take a break from trading. If you took a loss, take a break for at least 1 hour. Just forget about trading for at least 1 hour. Yeah, guys, see you soon. Thank you for watching. Love you guys and wish you good luck.